Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This tutorial is showing you how to use a fibonacci sequence in order to make organic shapes. The fibonacci sequence is based around squares and circles, sort of like squaring a circle, and within it can teach you how to create shapes that are akin to nature, which sort of represents the fact that things in nature are naturally beautiful. So you start off by making two squares parallel to each other, and then a third square, which is a rectangle, twice the size of this. You duplicate that and make another one again using the same principle, another one using the same principle. Then match them up so they link to one another. You can use a circle and then use the C command, the illustrator, to cut the circle into the right points. Or you can use the pen tool, which I prefer to use, and adjust the anchor points to create the shape, which is more preferable. Once you've got the basic structure right, duplicate this to another canvas and create the fibonacci path. And from that, I've duplicated it and created a new artboard by going to layers, artboard, create. You unite the pen path, duplicate this, flip it, and join them together by pressing Command G. And what I've done is I've adjusted the stroke. As you see, it appears to look like a mushroom, a heart, or a mustache, or a Pringles man. And then from this, I've scaled it down. Cut half of it, scaled down, added 3 circles, and you have a dog's face. Duplicate this, you have a sheep. Press L to bring up the circle tool. C to cut it again. And you have a sort of bear-like figure. You can cut this. And you can make a pug. There you have it. The tutorial showing you how to use the Fibonacci sequence to create geometrically interesting figures.